Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see step by step how to apply for a Chilean tourist visa online. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please gonna subscribe right now. And I would also like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to use the service. Alright guys, so when it comes to apply for Chilean visa, you need to consider certain points. In some cases you don't need a visa at all, and not just based on your nationality, but if you have a visa for a certain country like USA, again under some circumstances, then you don't need a visa. So first you need to find out if you really need a tourist visa to Chile or not. Once you identify it, then you need to go to the local Chilean embassy or consulate site and see how to apply. Because in most of the cases, the process is similar. Like you need to apply online, and if granted, you get an email, and then you need to submit. So that you need to follow like that. So if you are applying from India, uh, based on your state, you either you have to apply it at Delhi or Mumbai based on your state and some other jurisdiction. So you need to identify that first. So I'm going to show you a sample how to do this. So in front of you I have opened the online Chilean visa form, okay, and you can either get this form in English or Spanish. So I have opened the Spanish one, sorry, English one. So select country. Then as you see where you are gonna submit, so I am selecting this, but you need to find out where exactly it's gonna be based on your location date. I'm just putting a sample. Okay, more details, right? You have to provide. Now this is very important, type of visa. Based on that they will show you the fee, and again documents. So I select this. So now you can see the fee has been populated, and period of stay in Chile you need to provide the number of days. So I just put 45. Expected date of arrival, and then you need to provide email, check the boxes and click on continue. So I'm gonna do that. This is the second page, okay, where they have asked for the applicant information: name, family name, mother name, other name. So I'm gonna fill some sample. It's very simple, and gonna click on save and continue. The next section that appears is contact and family. So to provide your address, relationship status, parents details, and then continue. So I'm gonna put some sample details and continue. Next section is about general description, where they have asked for your education, profession, occupation and contact in Chile. So once you are through it, you can click on save and continue. So I'm gonna put some sample. Next section is about countries visited. This is not mandatory. You can straight away click on save and continue. But yes, if you have visited, you must provide the detail because you got to be honest. So here you need to attach the documents. So for every document there is a specification that you can find out on your embassy website. Also the naming convention, how you should name them, it's really important. Some are optional and some are mandatory, and if you want to include additional notes, it's always good, you can do it. And next you're going to pay the fee, and if it is granted you are going to get an email with further instructions. So in summary, like you need to go to your embassy or consulate website first of Chile, and then find out some specific instructions about your application. Find out if you really need a visa. You may not need in some conditions based on your purpose and duration, and then you can apply if you are required, and then follow the instructions after you are done with it. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.